Congratulations on your purchase of a Ryobi Tough and Rugged TrimmerPlus system. You have bought more than just a trimmer. You now have the basis upon which to build an entire lawn and garden maintenance system. No other manufacturer can offer you the power and flexibility of the TrimmerPlus system. The purpose of this video is to help familiarize you with your new trimmer and its available add-ons, explain proper starting instructions, and illustrate the simple line rewinding procedures. Please remember, it does not replace your operator's manual. Make sure to thoroughly read and understand the operator's manual before operating your trimmer. It is full of important information regarding safe operating procedures and tips to ensure many years of satisfactory performance. When operating your trimmer, always wear ear protection, safety goggles, work gloves, long pants, sturdy work shoes, and be sure to pull back long hair. Your safety is the highest priority at Ryobi. As you remove your new trimmer from its carton, you may have noticed that it is almost ready for use, although some assembly may be required. In particular, you'll need to connect the trimmer's lower boom to the upper boom by using the click-link coupler. Just loosen the coupler's yellow knob, align the lower boom's release button with the coupler's dimple, and slide the lower boom into the coupler until the release button clicks into the locking hole as shown. That's all there is to it. Before starting your trimmer, you'll need to mix fuel properly before filling the trimmer's fuel tank. Never add engine oil or fuel additives directly to your trimmer's fuel tank. Use a separate fuel can to mix the fuel, and always mix fuel in a well-ventilated area, away from sparks or flame. A bottle of Ryobi 2-cycle engine oil is included with your trimmer. When mixed with 1 gallon of fresh, unleaded gasoline, it will yield the correct 32:1 ratio. Never use straight gasoline. It will cause permanent damage to your trimmer and void the trimmer's warranty. In addition to mixing fuel properly, Ryobi recommends the use of a fuel stabilizer to inhibit corrosion, minimize the formation of gum deposits, and keep fuel fresh for up to 6 months. Follow the mixing instructions on the stabilizer bottle. The preferred method of mixing your fuel is to add engine oil and stabilizer to an empty fuel can and then add gasoline. Tighten the lid and agitate the fuel mixture before filling the fuel tank. Carefully fill the fuel tank to within 1/2 inch of the top. Replace the gas cap and wipe off any spilled fuel. Now that your tank is full, you are ready to start the engine. Never start your trimmer in the fueling area or near combustible materials. Move at least 30 feet away. Check to make sure that the immediate area is clear of children, pets, and any obstructions. The Ryobi 2-cycle TrimmerPlus system features the exclusive Easy Pull engine, which requires up to 60% less pulling force than competitive engines. Starting instructions are located on the trimmer's boom as well as in the operator's manual. Please refer to your operator's manual or the starting instructions decal should you require any assistance in completing the correct starting procedures. To start your trimmer, move the ignition switch to the on position. Fully press and release the primer bulb slowly 5 to 7 times. Check the bulb. Fuel should be visible. The engine choke has 3 positions: full choke, partial choke, and run. The choke positions are shown as symbols on a decal near the choke lever. Place the choke lever in the full choke position. With the unit on the ground, squeeze the throttle trigger fully and keep it fully engaged throughout the entire starting process and until the engine is completely warmed. Pull the starter rope briskly until the engine sounds like it wants to run, normally 2 to 5 pulls. Please keep in mind, the engine will not run when the choke lever is in the full choke position, but it will feel and sound like it is attempting to. Once you hear and feel the engine attempt to run, move the choke lever to the partial choke position. This step is critical to successful engine starting and the prevention of engine flooding. Pull the starter rope briskly 1 to 3 times. The engine should start with no difficulty. If the engine does not start, return the choke lever to the full choke position and repeat the starting procedures, paying particular attention to listen for and feel the signs that the engine is attempting to start. After the engine warms up for 5 to 10 seconds, place the choke lever in the run position. Continue to run the trimmer at full throttle for 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that the engine is fully warmed. Once the engine is fully warmed, you're ready to begin trimming. Never leave the trimmer idling when you're not holding it. When you're finished trimming or need to stop it for any reason, move the ignition switch to the off position. When restarting a warm engine, set the choke lever to the partial choke position, and with the throttle trigger fully depressed, pull the starter rope briskly. Move the choke lever to the run position after the engine starts. When the engine is already warmed, there is no need to set the choke in the full choke position. One of the most innovative advancements in trimming technology today, the Ryobi SpeedSpool, is a unique, one-of-a-kind trimmer head designed to make string replacement hassle-free and reduce frustrating downtime. Your SpeedSpool has been preloaded at the factory with a full spool of .080 round trimmer line. During the course of trimming, line will become worn and frayed. To advance the line for more efficient cutting, lightly tap the trimming head on a firm surface periodically while operating the trimmer at full speed. For best results, always keep the trimming line fully extended and only cut with the tip of the line. Line release becomes more difficult and cutting efficiency diminishes as the line becomes shorter. Eventually, all the line in the spool will be used, and you will need to refill the speed spool. Unlike conventional spools, to refill the speed spool, you shouldn't have to take the spool apart. That's what makes it so unique. To refill it, merely measure and cut 2 pieces of .080 round trimmer line to a length of 10 feet each, or purchase pre-measured lengths of line from your local Ryobi retailer. Next, remove any remaining trimmer line from your speed spool. Check to make sure that the center bump knob is tight by turning it clockwise until it's snug. Turn the inner reel with the grip ridges counterclockwise and align the arrows on the inner and outer spools. Put one end of the 10-foot line straight into the eyelet and push the line until it comes through the hole on the top. Take the end of that line and insert it into the locking hole, about 1/4 inch, and pull the line tight. Repeat these steps with the second piece of line. Turn the inner reel counterclockwise to wind the line. Continue turning until there are approximately 4 inches of line exposed on each side. Trimming to equal lengths may be necessary. That's all there is to it. To conduct periodic maintenance or to remove line that may remain in the spool, it may be necessary to disassemble the speed spool. To do so, hold the outer spool firmly and turn the black bump knob counterclockwise until it completely unthreads. Carefully retain the knob and spring assembly after removal. Remove the inner reel. Clean any debris and line completely from the reel and rest of the head assembly parts. Keep all components in the outer spool clean and dry. Do not lubricate these parts. Replace the inner reel and reattach the center bump knob assembly by turning it clockwise on the threaded center shaft until it is hand tight. Refill spool with line as previously shown. Only Ryobi offers the TrimmerPlus system, featuring the patented Click-Link coupler. Powerful 2- and 4-cycle gas or electric trimmers expand to 8 tools in one for a complete lawn and garden system. With add-ons, your TrimmerPlus can become an edger, turbo blower, blower vac, cultivator, hedge trimmer, straight shaft trimmer, pruner, or snow thrower. Match the tool to the job without a garage full of dedicated equipment or the expense of up to 8 different units. To convert from a trimmer to an add-on of your choice, simply loosen the yellow knob, depress the release button, and pull out the lower boom. To connect an add-on, simply slide the lower boom into the Click-Link coupler until it clicks to lock and retighten the knob. When operating all the add-ons, the release button should be clicked into the hole directly in line with the coupler's dimple. To operate your string trimmer as an edger, rotate the trimmer's lower boom 90 or 180 degrees so that the release button clicks into the other holes. Always read the rules for safe use of add-ons in your operator's manual. Easily switch add-ons in seconds, so simple, and no tools required. Add on a steel-bladed edger to give your sidewalks and driveways that professionally maintained look. The turbo blower delivers a powerful blast of air, up to 145 miles per hour. Use two interchangeable nozzles, the flare for cleaning large areas or the concentrator nozzle for hard-to-reach places. The blower vac allows you to blow or vacuum debris with just one unit. Conversion from blower to vacuum is quick and easy. In the vacuum mode, the unit mulches debris and releases it into a large capacity, lightweight bag. Backed by the power of your TrimmerPlus, the Cultivator is the perfect tool for maintaining your garden beds. The add-on Hedge Trimmer, with its 16-inch replaceable blades, offers dual action for super smooth operation. The add-on Pruner powers through branches up to 4 inches in diameter. The included extension boom provides additional reach. Be sure to wear a hard hat when using the add-on Pruner, and do not stand beneath the limb you are cutting. The add-on straight shaft allows you to switch your curved shaft trimmer to a straight shaft SpeedSpool unit. The straight shaft allows additional reach under obstructions like decks and fences. The TrimmerPlus system works for you year-round with the add-on snow thrower. This maneuverable unit clears a path of snow up to 6 inches deep and 12 inches wide. All Ryobi brand power equipment is protected by a full 2-year limited warranty for consumer use. Should you need service or assistance of any kind, please do not return your product to the retail store. Instead, call Ryobi's customer service department at 1-800-345-TRIM. Usually, Ryobi service representatives will be able to solve your problem over the phone. If not, they'll direct you to one of nearly 5,000 conveniently located Ryobi authorized service centers throughout the United States. Ryobi has a complete line of maintenance tools, lubricants, and accessories to keep your yard and garden equipment in top-notch working condition. For performance and safety reasons, use only genuine Ryobi accessories and replacement parts. If you are not able to purchase Ryobi accessories through your local retailer, they are available by mail order. Call the number on your screen to order. If you'd like to learn more about Ryobi's North American operations, including the complete line of advanced power lawn and garden equipment, handheld benchtop and cordless electric power tools designed to meet the exacting requirements of professionals and serious do-it-yourselfers, or aluminum die castings for the automotive industry, visit us on the internet at www.ryobi.com. The more than 8,000 Ryobi employees worldwide, and especially the 1,000 or so employees of Ryobi Outdoor Products in Chandler, Arizona, would like to say thank you for purchasing a Ryobi TrimmerPlus system. We're confident you'll be pleased with the performance, value, and innovative features of your new trimmer. Quality, innovation, value. Get your hands on a Ryobi and get the job done right.